Melvin, gagawin dito yung title fight mo, dito mismo sa harap ng mga fans. Dahil dalawa na lang kayo unang dalawa lang kayo world champion. Kumusta yung preparation mo and ano ba, pressure or confident sa laban na ito?
Sobrang excited po kasi start dito natin yung World Title Defense natin. Sobrang salamat po talaga sa Manny Pacquiao, GC, sa Manila ko, may Chaura, Coach ko. Sa lahat po, at Filipino, na sumusuporta po para sa akin.
Thank you very much. Si Coach, gaano kayo kahanda sa laban na ito? Ano mga dinaanin yung preparation?
Actually, after pagka-champion ni Melvin, alam na namin na siya yung mandatory. So, reading kami pagkatapos ng lahat ng kunting bakasyon na. So, nagsimula na kami training, nagkaroon na yung style niya. So, nagawa naman namin yung training namin ng maayos hanggang sa ngayon. Ready na kami para sa lahat.
Thank you. To Luis. Luis. Okay, ready. Let's get it ready. English question. How ready are you for this fight and confident? How confident are you? Because in the last, you are undefeated, and in the last 4 fights, you defeated 4 very good fighters. So, how confident are you going to this fight that you will get this fight? To Luis Castillo, how confident are you going into this fight? Considering you defeated 4 very good fighters in your last 4 fights.
Okay, so we're still here at the PSA Forum.
Okay.
Estoy confiado de que vamos a salir victoriosos en esta pelea. Nos preparamos muy bien, 100%. Un entrenamiento duro para esta gran pelea del título del mundo. Sé que va a ser una gran batalla, pero vamos a salir victoriosos y vamos a llevar el cinturón para la noche. Saludos a todos. Muchas gracias. Me siento confiado de que vamos a salir victoriosos en esta gran pelea. Va a ser una pelea dura, pero nosotros trabajamos al 100% para esta gran pelea del título del mundo. Es una oportunidad para nosotros y la vamos a aprovechar al 100%.
As per Luis Castillo, I repeat, I feel confident that we were going to come out victorious in this great fight. It's going to be a tough fight, but we work 100% for this great world title fight. It's a great opportunity for us, and we're going to take advantage of it 100%. It's the same question for you. Same question.
Your preparation.
Your preparation.
How confident are you? What's the prospect?
Gracias de nuevo. Hablando sobre la preparación de Castillo, lo venimos listos. Sabemos que va a ser una pelea muy fuerte. De mi experiencia siempre han sido peleas muy calientes y muy excitantes. En este caso, Jerusalén, el campeón, tiene un estilo muy mexicano. Nos sorprendió en Japón, yo creo que todos nos sorprendimos y estamos muy orgullosos de pelear con él y de estar aquí.
Okay, thanks again. I'm talking about Castillo's preparation because we're coming ready. We know that I'm going to have a very tough fight against the Filipinos. In my experience, they have always been very hot and exciting fights. In In this case, Jerusalem, the champion, has a very Mexican style. He surprised us in Japan. I think we were all surprised and we're very proud to fight him and be here in the Philippines.
Thank you, thank you. Melvin, napanood mo syempre mga laban ni Luis Castillo. So, ano masasabi mo doon? At ano din talaga yung specific na paghahanda? Tagalog naman. At kung yan ba'y tatagal, yung buong kumbaga lahat ng round ay very much ready ka.
Kita mo sa laban niya, magaling siya boxer.
Anong style niya?
At hindi niya naman kasi ipinis kalaban kasi iba rin yung kalaban din. Kaya kailangan natin mag-adjust.
Ano po sa tingin nyo, Michael, yung strength talaga ng makakalaban na talagang tunay na pinaghandaan nyo kay Luis Castillo?
Actually, really, pinagandaan talaga namin ang long round. Kasi alam naman natin na hindi siya basta-basta nakakalaban, walang talo, hindi pa nakaranas ng talo. So, expect tayo na hindi siya madali tumain. Kaya dahan-dahanin lang natin, pag may chance talaga, why not? Titirahin na natin.
Dahan-dahan. Pag mayroong chance, titirahin na agad. Yes, Jerry? Questions? O mamaya siya. Okay, Lito Oredo, abante.
Good morning, Michael and Melvin. Gaano ka-importante itong laban na ito kay Luis? Pag nanalo ba tayo, ano yung susunod ninyo na step?
Salamat sir. Itong laban na to, talaga naman para sa akin. Dapat panalo natin talaga sa tayo. Talo kami tapos unified.
Kasi may karin plano.
Ayos, kailangan mapanalo talaga natin yung laban kasi yun ang plano ng manager, ni boss GC na kung kailangan mapanalo talaga natin para makapag-unify tayo ng another champion.
Usual na tanong, anong round babagsak?
Hindi natin masabi yung round kasi maganda rin yung kalaban. Pero pag nakita natin may pagkakataon, why not? Go na tayo.
Mike, yung head-to-head mo sa mga Mexican, siyempre marami ka nang nakalaban na isang style. Ito bang si kalaban mo ay medyo 90% mo na pagsabi yung laro?
Sa akin sir, pinagandaan ko na talaga sir. Hindi pa mandatory. Alam na namin na siya yung kalaban ng James. Kaya ready na talaga.
Thank you. Okay, Ma'am Maribel. Ma'am, I think this is the first time na mag-held ng international match ng Blow by Blow. Any plans po after ng dito na laban ni Jerusalem versus Castillo?
Maraming pong salamat, sir. On November 20, we will be turning 2 years old, the Blow by Blow. And this is the first time that we will be holding a world championship ever. This is actually a dream of Senator Manny Pacquiao. When he was talking and giving all these press releases, press interviews, he said that his wish is for Blow by Blow to really stage a world championship. And this is it now through Mr. J.C. Manangkil and everybody here present in this table. This is happening. Okay, what's the next plan for Blow by Blow after this? All dreamers would always aim for the higher or the next level. Okay? So, with the help of our sponsors, with the help of the Filipino boxing fans, with the help of everyone, this would bring us to the next level, to the next ladder. We will not only settle for today's world event, but probably the senator was, having these big dreams of yearly, if possible, to stage a world boxing championship in the Philippines, because he was saying, he always says that he started all his life, his career from boxing. And this one is just giving back the boxing, whatever the blessings that he has, and has been receiving continuously through boxing. So he's giving back to our Filipino boxers to give the chance. And through the World Boxing Championship, I hope with God's will and help, with the senators always with us, we will have and stage another World Championship. If not WBC, probably WBO. We'll take on that. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. To JC. JC, ano yung mga incentive na makukuha ni Melvin kapag nanalo siya sa laban?
Siguro private ng kontrabi mo din.
6 digits, 7 digits?
Hindi ko po alam eh. Anyway, it's a confidential. So, this is decent naman thanks to the blow by blow and Senator Manny Pacquiao, but it's confidential.
Thank you. To Luis. Just like to ask Luis about
Maybe, ma'am, you can repeat the question.
oh, to Luis, is this your first time fighting out of Mexico, and how do you feel fighting in the Philippines?
Okay, ang question ni Lito, is this his first time to fight in the Philippines? And how do you feel about this fight? Okay. Interpret lang po yung question ni Lito. Kasi nga po, hindi po marunong automatic na English ang sagot ng ating Mexican challenger. Yes, go?
No, pues, es algo muy diferente para mí. Es una pelea, pues, distinta. Venimos bien preparados para esta pelea aquí en las Filipinas. Bien motivados, la verdad, con ganas de ser campeón del mundo. Pues lo vamos a lograr. Estamos mentalizados para eso. Y este cinturón se va para México.
It's something very, very different for me. It's a very different fight. We always come prepared for this big fight here in the Philippines. Very motivated. The truth is, we want to be world champions and we're going to achieve it. We're mentally prepared for that, and I'm already in Mexico.